Welcome to Wise Signals Mindfulness Hacks for Exam Warriors. Hey everyone, let's explore some genius study hacks that'll help you ace those exams without burning out. We want smart studying, not just last-minute panic. So, grab your pens, notebooks, and open minds because we're about to conquer exam season with calm and confidence. Innovative study techniques. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's a game changer. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused study, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle, gradually extending the work periods as you get into the flow. It keeps your mind fresh, prevents overwhelm, and makes studying surprisingly enjoyable. Mark Twain said, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started." Ditch the boring note cards. Use apps like Quizlet or Anki to create interactive flashcards with images, audio, and spaced repetition algorithms. They'll make memorizing a breeze and keep you entertained while you learn. John Dewey said, "Learning is not a spectator sport." John Dewey. Feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of information? Create mind maps. Visually connect key concepts, subtopics, and examples using colorful diagrams and drawings. It'll help you grasp complex ideas and see the bigger picture in a flash. Confucius said, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." Confucius. Mindfulness and stress management. Feeling stressed? Take a deep breath and try a quick 5-minute guided meditation. Apps like Headspace or Calm offer beginner-friendly exercises that'll calm your mind, boost focus, and help you approach studying with clarity. Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think you become." Buddha. Move your body. Sitting for hours isn't just bad for your posture. It can also kill your motivation. Get up and move. Take a brisk walk, do some yoga poses, or dance to your favorite tunes. Physical activity boosts energy, improves brain function, and helps you de-stress in a fun way. The body is the temple of the mind. Anonymous. Your brain needs rest to consolidate memories and recharge. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night. Avoid late-night cramming and create a relaxing bedtime routine to unwind and ensure a peaceful slumber. A good laugh and a long sleep are two of the best cures for anything. Irish proverb. There you have it, folks. By embracing these smart study hacks, mindful practices, and healthy habits, you can conquer your exams without sacrificing your well-being. Remember, it's not just about the grades, it's about learning, growing, and staying sane during the process. So, stay focused, be kind to yourself, and crush those exams with confidence. Share your favorite study hacks and stress management techniques in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community of exam warriors together. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more. Together, let's make conquering exams epic.